For our top story tonight, the war in West Asia is now threatening one of the world's most critical energy lifelines, the Strait of Hormuz. With ships stuck in the Gulf, oil supplies under pressure, the US is offering India a temporary waiver to buy Russian crude. The global energy market is entering uncertain territory. While New Delhi insists there is no immediate shortage, the political and economic ripples are already being felt home. A clear indication that the war in West Asia is having an impact across the world, including India. It's our top story tonight.
The tremors of war in West Asia are being felt across the globe. The conflict has claimed lives and disrupted the global oil supply chain. Reports say more than 200 ships are stuck in the Persian Gulf, while 150 are waiting outside the Strait of Hormuz. 38 Indian ships are stuck in region. With oil supplies badly affected, the United States has offered India a 30-day waiver to buy Russian oil. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said the decision was taken to enable oil to keep flowing into global markets. He claimed that this short-term measure will not provide significant financial benefit to the Russian government, as it only authorizes transactions involving oil already stranded at sea. Bessent said US anticipates that New Delhi will ramp up purchases of US oil. He called the waiver a stopgap measure to elevate pressure caused by Iran's attempt to take global energy hostage. Government sources have told India today that India has more crude oil at the moment than what is stuck at Strait of Hormuz. Reprioritization regarding use of crude is happening within the government. The government sources say that there is no shortage of LPG and that refineries have been ordered to increase production of LPG. The government, however, admits the war will impact global energy scenario.
यदि हम स्ट्रेट ऑफ हार्मज या पूरे पर्शियन गल्फ क्षेत्र को देखें तो यह विश्व की एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी का एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्र है। जब इस क्षेत्र में डिस्टरबेंस या डिसरप्शन होता है तो उसका सीधा असर ऑयल और गैस की सप्लाई पर पड़ता है। इन अनसर्टेनिटीज का सीधा प्रभाव इकोनॉमी और ग्लोबल ट्रेड पर पड़ता है।
Russia has said it is ready to supply oil to India if required.
This is up to India to decide. You know, we have always maintained that we have always been ready to offer oil supplies to India, provided India needs those supplies. That's the decision the Indian government should take.
Back home, the development has also triggered political storm. Congress has accused the Modi government of ceding diplomatic space of Washington, questioning why India needs a US waiver at all to continue buying Russian oil.
कहां से हम तेल खरीदेंगे, कब खरीदेंगे, कितने मात्रा में हम खरीदेंगे, ये सब हमारी सरकार का निर्णय है। अमेरिका कौन होता है? हमें सर्टिफिकेट देगा, 30 दिन के लिए आप खरीद सकते हैं, 30 दिन के बाद आप नहीं खरीदेंगे, नहीं खरीद पाएंगे, आपको अनुमति नहीं है। क्या ठेकेदारी अमेरिका ने लिया है?
As the war threatens one of the world's most critical energy choke points, the global oil market is entering uncertain territory. Bureau Report, India Today.